So at the outset, I would just like to quote the Prime Minister, who has been time and again saying that we need a very holistic and integrated approach to the well-being of humans, animals, plants, and environment. He's also been saying that it is rooted in the India's ancient philosophy of universal well-being. So our healths are very interconnected, and being the secretary of the Human Health Department, I would like to say that actually health, as has often been said, is at the receiving end. It's the cause. I mean, humans do cause diseases, but they're also at the receiving end. In the last 1 year that I've spent in the health department, I have made often very frantic calls to Secretary Department of Health Research. And to the students, I would like to say this, that whenever anybody falls ill, in your school, at home, in your family, in your village, your town, your city, if you if you dive deeper into it, you will find that the cause lies somewhere, and it is this cause which lies there which has forced us to come up or encouraged us to come up with the One Health approach.